welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you who are new, to the ones that aren't new, what's up? You already know what it is. I am back again today with another hair review, or wig review, shall I call it. I'm really excited about today's wig because I've never tried a color like this. It's a very sandy blonde color, so we're going to go ahead and jump on into the review of this wig. Before we do so though, please subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Go ahead and we'll take a pause and a break. 1, 2, 4, 5. That's actually 10. But anyways though, that was 5 seconds, y'all. You literally could have subscribed already. So please do so before you leave this video, okay? The wig that we will be reviewing today is this wig right here. It is actually the creamy blonde color. So it's actually the color that's right here on the model on the packaging. So that's the color that I got. I did get this from DIVATRESS.com, so I'll let you guys know the price of it in a minute. So this is the red carpet premiere lace front wig in the color creamy blonde. The style is RCP 797 Bea or Bea. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it, and it's a 24-inch long wig. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging and get this placed on my head. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I went ahead and cut, this is stuck to my hand. I went ahead and cut the lace off of the wig in the front. So in this wig, we do have combs in it. There's 2 combs in the front, there's 1 in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. So what I can tell from just touching the wig personally is it's a really good quality wig because I've been finger combing it a lot. There's no shedding that's coming out with this wig. Also, the lace, it's really nice. Look at that, it looks really natural. It doesn't look really, I don't want to use the word fake because I feel like that's so like basic, but it doesn't look fake on here at all. So it looks like it's just really like natural color growing out of a root. So let's go ahead and get this baby placed on. She's icy. I feel icy with this wig on. Ooh, who is she? Okay, guys, I am literally obsessed with this color and this style. This wig is amazing, and I'm not just saying that. Like, it's amazing. The quality is so great. It feels so soft. I'm not sure if this is a human hair wig. So this is showing, I believe this is Kanekalon hair. Is that right? I want to know what kind of hair this is. I'm not sure what kind of hair this is. I don't think it's synthetic though. It is heat resistant safe, so that's good. You can use it up to 350 degrees. You're safe to use a flat iron with this. I mean, I wouldn't do too much to it because I love the natural like beach waves that it has. But this color is so cute. It's so freaking icy. Like, it's like a pale color. This is a type of hair color I've never tried before, so I'm loving how icy this looks. And when I say icy, I mean like pale. This wig goes for $36.95, and do I think it's worth it? Yes, it is definitely worth $36.95. Hell, I would even pay $40 for this, which $36.95 is basically $40. But I definitely think it's worth it because you're getting a very good quality wig with this color, because it looks so natural like for it to be so pale. That's why I think I'm so amazed, and I really love the parting on it. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see the parting. So today I purposely wore my brows lighter than usual because I was like, I know I'm going to be reviewing a wig that's a little bit lighter, and I didn't want to have super dark brows. So if you do your makeup, or you know, if you do your eyebrows, I would definitely suggest wearing lighter brows with this wig because it's already so light. Only adjustments that I would make to it is to definitely just glue down the front because it is big head friendly. However, it is sliding a little bit on me, but that could be pillow. That could just be because I have my hair in a ponytail, which can just cause my wig to shift a little more. So I do have the comb stuck in right now, but it is shifting a little bit and I can tell that it's pulling. So you can use the adjustable straps if need be, but it is fitting on my head like I like my wigs to. I don't have like a whole lot of space, but I have some space. So it's big head friendly, but then not just a little bit. Okay, as far as the hair is very soft. It feels like natural hair. It feels like human hair. That's why I'm not sure if it's synthetic or not, because I've had some synthetic wigs that actually feel like human hair, but I can't find anywhere online or anywhere that says that it is synthetic hair, so I'm gonna go with human. I don't know. It is 24 inches long. Let me show you how long it is. So I'm scooting back and it stops like right here, right near my boobs. If I stand up, this is how long it is, which is really cute. If I did anything to the part, the only thing that I would do is maybe pluck just a little bit and add just a little bit of concealer, but you have to be really specific on the color concealer that you use, because you don't want it to be looking like it's just pure brown sitting right there on your head, or whatever color you choose to use with your concealer. When lightening your part, I would just be really careful when doing so. I did another wig review on this same brand, but it was a different style wig. I'll put the information, it's a card that's going to pop up showing you to watch this video, but then there's also going to be one, I'll put the link up to that video below as well. So it's the same brand as far as the wig, and I got the color camo. They also have this wig in a camo color if you're wanting to try that, so you can try it in the green shade as well. But I say everyone needs to try this color because I feel like this color is really cute and it would like fit on anyone. I'm just really pleased with this because this color I was so scared about but so excited to try. This hairstyle is kind of giving me like Khloe Kardashian vibes. You know how she wears her hair in the long blonde and waves? That's what this is giving me. But I'm so excited to wear this out, guys. I feel like this is a wig that you could wear out as well. Like you can wear it to a party, you could wear it to a bar, you could wear it out to just a family gathering. Like it's cool and calm enough that you can wear it anywhere. It just depends on how you wear it, of course. I feel like this wig would be cute pulled back like half up, half down. I would definitely say just make sure that you take really good care of it as far as hair care. Make sure you probably use a big wide tooth comb when combing it out, or use your fingers. Nothing too tight and too together when it comes to a brush or comb, because that could definitely damage the ends of it as well as just damage the wig entirely and just make it look very shaggy, and you don't want it to look like shaggy and raggedy when you're trying to wear it. So I would just say make sure you're very good with your hair care and just rub it softly, and definitely do your finger combs and wide tooth comb, and you should be set and you should be good to go as far as, you know, the quality of your wig lasting as long as you need it to. I definitely have no cons about this wig at all because I'm just happy that it's not shedding. I'm very happy with the color. I'm very happy with the quality. It's really soft. It's not shiny. It's not too dull. It doesn't look dry. It's just like that perfect texture and look of hair that someone would be like, oh my god, where'd you get your bundles from? Like, that's how it looks. I definitely say this wig is a go in my book. You should definitely purchase it. I'll put all the information below so you can check it out and get it because it's your popping. Okay, all right guys, so that ends this hair review. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you leave a thumbs up as well as comment below and tell me what you don't like or what you did like. I am open to all comments, but if you're rude, your comment might get deleted or I might snap back at you. Just kidding. But if you are rude, I will delete your comment. Just saying. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.